Hey everybody, I am Jake, e-commerce and tech entrepreneur, and also founder of InvestSTARS. If you're a beginning investor looking for smart investing made simple, follow us. So today we're going to cover three questions that you need the answers to in 2023. So, what are they? Number one, what is the best investment strategy in 2023? Number two, what sectors perform well in 2023? And number three, what is the stock that could double in 2023? I know that this last one is the big one that you're waiting for, so make sure you watch to the end to catch it. So let's get straight into it. Question one, what is the best investment strategy in 2023? If you've looked into investment strategies, you're going to know that there are tons to choose from, and it can feel pretty overwhelming, or at least that's how I felt when I first started out so long ago. I'm going to share with you what I would learn about first based on my experience. And I'm going to propose one simple technique for beginners to learn more about. And that's dollar cost averaging, DCA. Here's where we get a bit technical, so stay with me. Once you've found a stock that you think is a winner, you can use DCA as an investment strategy. How? You can invest a fixed amount of money into a stock on a regular basis, regardless of the price. Now, I know you'll be thinking, regardless of the price? And yes, you heard correctly, regardless of the price. And why we do this is so simple. It evens out your risk. In 2023, with the economic outlook being uncertain, we want to focus on risk management. But how is this less risky, I hear you asking? Well, simply, it averages out the purchasing price over time. For example, let's say you invest $100 a month into Apple shares. If this share is at $3,000 one month, you buy 3.33 shares. If the share is at $2,500 the next month, you buy 4 shares. By investing the same amount of money each month, you may end up buying more shares when the price is low and fewer shares when the price is high. This will help you average out the cost of the shares and what you're paying for. Therefore, this will help you reduce your risk of putting all of your money in at the top of the share price. Obviously, though, this could mean that you miss putting all of your money in at the bottom price. But we're looking to mitigate risk here through smart investing techniques. We're not looking to get lucky. DCA is a simple and effective way to invest for the long term. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can help you build wealth over time. If you want to learn more about dollar cost averaging, we recommend that you go over to our website, investstars.co.uk, and look at our free investing beginner guides. You will find free helpful information to aid you on your educational journey into the investment world. Moving on now to question 2. What sectors will perform well in 2023? Well, we all know what I'm going to say, right? It's on everyone's mind. Can you guess? AI. Did I say AI? It seems that AI has exploded onto the scene, and this has become a sector in itself. It's not only the adoption of ChatGPT or Bard by normal people like you and me, but its commercial application into customer service, marketing, sales, fraud detection, risk assessment, product development, supply chain management, to say the least. This industry has a long way to go. We seem to be at the very beginning of it, and it has a lot of growth potential. So let's stay up to date and look for opportunities within the sector. What do you think of AI so far? Where do you see its applications in the future? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to another big emerging sector, electric vehicles. Did someone say Elon? Electric vehicles are exploding again onto the scene, and this has become a sector in itself. It's not only the adoption of Teslas by celebrities, but it's the commercial application of EVs into public transportation, logistics, construction, mining, agriculture. These industries all want improved efficiency, less pollution, and reduction of noise. And EVs provide just this. Further to this, government incentives are pushing the demand for EVs up, while additionally, technological advancements in battery technology is improving, making EVs more affordable and practical. And lastly, and most importantly, environmental concerns. More and more of us are concerned about the environment. We want to see a sustainable option. So I am excited to see what will become of EVs in the future and how they'll affect so many industries and continue to transform the world. What do you think of the EV market? Do you have your eye on any particular EV stocks? Let me know in the comments. Now, moving on to the big one that you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Question 3. What are the specific stocks that could double in 2023? Well, many could, but will they? Let's be real, we don't know for certain, but we can speculate and investigate through smart investing techniques. Let's do that together. The stock that we think could potentially, maybe double in 2003. Another drum roll, please. Baidu. Wait, what? Who? Baidu. Yes, Baidu. This is a Chinese technology company that is developing its own AI. Chinese AI hasn't exploded onto the scene, making headlines like Microsoft and Google, but given Chinese dominance in so many other fields such as banking and finance, with China having the world's 4 largest banks by total assets, and also dominance in key industries such as manufacturing, construction, e-commerce, and also technology, with the prime example of the Chinese company ByteDance, which has dominated the social media market with their platform TikTok. We may see this trend of dominance continue into the realm of AI, and Baidu may be the company that leads the way. Recently, Baidu has reported that they've outperformed ChatGPT on some metrics, which is pretty impressive. They've got a competitive advantage based on access to a massive amount of data, which allows Baidu's AI to learn and improve. They also have huge computational power, which allows its AI to process large amounts of data quickly, and talented AI researchers and engineers, having some of the best engineers in the world. And lastly, focus. The company has made AI a top priority, and it is investing heavily in this technology. They're also developing key commercial applications of AI, such as self-driving cars, personal intelligent voice assistants, and even medical diagnosis tools. Pretty amazing, huh? Further to this, with the projected growth of the Chinese economy by the International Monetary Fund and Baidu's strong track record of innovation and growth, we think they're a great stock. But what's the downside risk? There's always downside risk. And the key one for this being regulatory risk. The Chinese government is known for its heavy regulation on businesses, and this could pose a risk to Baidu. If the Chinese government were to impose new regulations on Baidu, it could have negative impact on the company's business and its stock price. Further to this, there is strong competition in China, mainly presented by Alibaba and Tencent. So Baidu hasn't got the full market, and it's going to have to fight for its share of the AI market, which may slow down its growth. What do you think of the stock? Do you think it's worth investing in? Let me know in the comments. So we've come to the end of the video. Don't worry, we're going to be making more and you're going to want to watch them, of course. So give us a follow, a like, and tell us what you think in the comments. See you soon, stars.